Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. If you will, please like, hype, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to help it grow. Well, this weekend is the 98th Academy Awards, and I thought that might be a good excuse to set a movie night tablescape. I'm using black dishes along with popcorn dishes, vintage items to give a nod to old Hollywood, and a color scheme of black and red. So let's take a look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a black cloth that I picked up on eBay. I'm also using my glossy black chargers. I believe I found these at Hobby Lobby. I've got basic black dinner plates. These came from Dollar Tree. I'm using red dinner napkins. I also have the salad plates, also from Dollar Tree. For the flatware, I'm using some black. This I picked up a while ago at Walmart. For the glasses, I have some basic black goblets. I believe those came also from Dollar Tree. And I have this cute set of vintage barware. They have different travel destinations on them. There's Big Ben. I think that may be Rome there. Let's see, the Arch in Paris, and then the Empire State Building. And I thought these would add a little glamorous nod. I believe I picked those up ages ago at a thrift store. We've got to have our popcorn box with a popcorn. I'm going to use my red cupcake stands. These came from Hobby Lobby. And of course, we've got to have our little Oscar statuette. A client gave me these. I suppose she had had her Oscar party and didn't need them anymore. Probably they came from Hobby Lobby or a craft store if I was guessing. A bit of a disclaimer, guys, before we begin. To be honest, I probably won't be watching the Academy Awards. I used to watch them, but I find them boring today, and I just don't care for any of the movies that they make these days. I tend to like old movies, black and white movies, especially period dramas, and right now my favorite is The Chosen. So I'll probably pass on the Academy Awards, but I thought it was a good excuse to set a movie night themed tablescape. Here in the center of the table, I've got this neat, I guess it's a reel-to-reel machine, and it's vintage. It's got all these cute, nifty chrome doohickeys on it. I don't know what any of them do. I picked this up along with the leather case that it was stored in at Goodwill. And I keep this upstairs. In the caravan room, I have a camera collection and other old items, and I thought this kind of evoked old Hollywood. I'm not exactly sure what they call this, but this little clipboard, they always tap it before they start a scene. I have that. I picked it up along with this little, sort of like the reel-to-reel that the camera film would go on, and a popcorn little sign on the back. I think those came from the thrift store. And also, kind of keeping with my old Hollywood theme, I've got a couple of old cameras. This one's kind of cool. It has the big flash on it, and I don't really have any of the big ones like the photographers would have used, but this was the best I could do. This is an old Brownie, but it has the flash on it too. And I've got a few more cameras upstairs, but these are the only ones that I had that had the big flash. I've also put some black cake stands, and this is actually a light. I keep it on my popcorn machine and it plugs in and lights up. I'm trying to think where I found that. I believe I found that at Goodwill. And this is a cute little candle. I've put it on a black cake stand too. And the candle came from Marshall's. I got it this year. I think that was something I picked up for Mother for Christmas, but I thought that was cute to go with our popcorn stuff. And here at this end of the table, I have this cute little popcorn bowl. This is a set, and they've got little dancing popcorn and little dancing butter and dancing salt. I think that's so cute. But there's a set of those along with the bucket, and Mother found those thrifting. And I don't know what these little car dishes have to do with anything, except that they reminded me of the old Packards that the actors used to drive, or maybe the cars they were chauffeured around in. So I thought those were kind of cute, and they went with the color scheme. The popcorn little cartons we got, I believe, at Goodwill. I have a couple different sets that we have. And here at this end, I've got a cute little popcorn maker, and it is made by Nostalgia. They make lots of popcorn makers, hot dog cookers, all sorts of things. And gosh, guys, I have almost all of their products. They need to pay me a commission, but they're not. But a lot of these little items came from thrift stores. However, Nostalgia does have a website, and I have bought one or two items off of their website. But I just love these little hot dog cookers, popcorn makers. I love those things. And they're fun too, like for children's birthday parties. I've used these when the children were little. I've even got a hot dog maker, guys. It's a black and white little dog, and it has in the belly you put the hot dogs, and the thing barks whenever the hot dogs are ready. And it was a hit with the kids when they were little. But all these things, like I said, would be fun to use, and you wouldn't have to do a set down. I did this as a set down, but if you wanted to do a buffet, you could also just set it up buffet style and let people come by and pick up their popcorn and their hot dogs and their snacks before they go in to watch a movie in your den or great room or whatever. Here is the bucket that goes with the set, and as you can see, it's got the little butter guy and the different little guys that go around it. And I've set it on my black Mosier cake stand. Yeah, I think those are so cute. And here at the back of the reel-to-reel, I've got this is another little sign that went with that set. And here's another little car, a little black dish. I think I picked those up in Hobby Lobby, I believe. I've had them a while. And I don't have the Silent Butler here today, but I use this popcorn scoop in lieu of that. I could not believe Mother found this at the thrift store. I mean, how would you find a popcorn scoop like this at the thrift store? But she was checking it out, and the lady was asking her, she said, "What is that?" And Mother told her it's to scoop popcorn and to put it in the little popcorn boxes. So she found me that, and I thought it was so nifty. And I do keep it in my popcorn machine. This is a cute little popcorn mug. I picked up a pair of these back at Christmas time. I think I gave those to Mother for Christmas. I got us a pair of those. We like cutesy mugs. I think everybody does today. Here's the other one. And here at this end of the table, I've got my popcorn machine, and I've got popcorn in it. I normally keep this at the store at Rose Tree Interiors, and I use it whenever I do open houses. It's handy, and when the kids were little, I used to use it. It's got little wheels that it rolls on, and I picked that up at Big Lots. Of course, you guys know Big Lots is closed, and now I think a few of them have reopened, but we don't have one. And this is the large popcorn box here on the top, and I think it came from Goodwill too. But I thought if one popcorn machine is good, two is better. The bank actually has the bigger version of this, and I'm jealous. I want one of those, so who knows, I may wind up with one of these days. But I think the popcorn makers are really cute. Here at the front of the table too, I have some cute little salt and pepper shakers. One has got the cola, and then there's the little popcorn, and then this is a little, I guess it's for your butter flavoring to sprinkle on your popcorn, a little shaker. I think that's cute too. But like I said, you could set something like this up buffet style and just let people stop by and pick up their things. But either way, I thought it would make a cute movie night table. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, reminding you that any occasion is the right occasion to set a cute tablescape. Bye-bye now.